Industrial vehicle manufacturers face unique pain points, including complex supply chain processes, fluctuating demand, rapidly evolving technology, and scheduling and planning changes. Daily business operations and tasks can easily fall through the cracks without the proper ERP software in place. Let's take a look at how WorkWise ERP can help with some of these key challenges industrial vehicle manufacturers face. Do you struggle to create quotes quickly and efficiently due to a lack of streamlining quote preparation? The WorkWise ERP quoting application helps sales reps streamline quotation preparation. Users are able to seamlessly convert customer orders without rekeying data to streamline the order entry process. Homegrown systems or other outdated methods of scheduling can cause vehicle manufacturers to order extra materials based on gut feel rather than the real needs, causing shortages or overage. With WorkWise ERP's planning suite, the shop can schedule production based on the constraints of people, skills, machines, materials, and tooling. Do you constantly run into issues with producing, ordering, and planning controlled products? The WorkWise Product Configurator allows sales teams and customers to select, configure, and order products from manufacturers while making sure that only valid features, options, and dimensions are selected. Do you struggle with inaccurate data because your ERP and CAD systems aren't integrated? Whether you use SolidWorks, Inventor, or other CAD systems, that CAD software integrates with WorkWise ERP, so production has faster access to the data for planning and scheduling. To take a look at more reasons industrial vehicle manufacturers can benefit from WorkWise ERP, visit us today at www.workwisesoftware.com.